911, where is your emergency?
Region 26 is a dispatch center for 911 in the central Nebraska. We cover 8 counties: Thomas, Blaine, Loop, Garfield, Wheeler, Valley, Greeley, and Sherman. It was first started in 1969, put together for these rural areas to have a centralized dispatch station since they couldn't afford it on their own. When I first started, we didn't even have a caller ID. Then came caller ID, which was really a big deal. We were really excited. And in the beginning also we had 3 towers that we transmitted from. Now we are up to 14 frequencies.
Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, end of test.
Probably our most common call would be on livestock out.
Region 26 Communications Center. Okay, how far east of Taylor is that?
Spring, fall, doesn't matter, any time of year, livestock try to get out, it seems like. And then our absolute worst thing that we dislike is our 4-letter F word, F-I-R-E.